Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study NCERT biology at your fingertips. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the entire NCERT syllabus. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to focus on. Next, read each chapter not just once, but multiple times. This repetitive reading helps solidify your understanding of complex biological concepts. As you read, actively highlight all key terms, definitions, and crucial diagrams. This active engagement will significantly improve your retention and recall. To truly master NCERT biology, active learning is essential. Start by creating concise notes and detailed flowcharts for complex biological processes. Visual aids like these simplify intricate information. Next, practice drawing and accurately labeling every diagram from memory. This reinforces visual recall, which is vital for biology. Finally, make sure to solve all the in-text questions and every single end-of-chapter exercise. This application of knowledge is crucial for deep understanding. Consistent revision is the cornerstone of long-term retention in biology. Make it a habit to regularly revise previously studied chapters. This prevents the natural forgetting curve from taking hold. Utilize flashcards for quick and efficient recall of important facts, definitions, and examples. They are excellent for spaced repetition. Furthermore, consistently attempt mock tests and previous year questions. This practice simulates exam conditions and identifies areas needing more attention. To truly excel, connect concepts across different chapters. Biology is interconnected, and seeing the bigger picture enhances understanding. Maintain a positive and confident mindset throughout your preparation. Belief in yourself is a powerful motivator. Always seek immediate clarification for any doubts you encounter, whether from teachers, mentors, or study groups. Addressing uncertainties promptly prevents them from accumulating and hindering your progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.